Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Another day at the office with the crypto markets. Bitcoin. Bitcoin want to poop the party a little bit here. You can see here it's pooping the party. That's your trend line now. Do you want to watch for the Bitcoin tops? Since July, we had the top here and we had a top in August. Yes, and we had now another possible little top, man, around at October, little local top. Now at the moment it's local, it's a local top, but it can be multiple stuff. It can be multiple stuff. I'm expecting nothing dramatic. Worst case, maybe a retest of the 50-day at the 114, or maybe even the 200-day. But it shouldn't go. It shouldn't take the 50-day. It should stay above the 50-day, and really, it can stay here. It can stay here. Just chop. Just chop like it likes to do. Chop everybody before continuing higher. Now, as it's chopping or topping out for a bigger drop, it doesn't matter. Some altcoins will keep going up. Some altcoins are keep going up. Some altcoins will break out even when Bitcoin will pull back. Why? Because it's an altcoin bull. This is the part of the cycle of the altcoin bull. Most people, they completely miss out on it because they think, oh, it's not an alt season now because the Bitcoin dominance is not dumping. But the large caps are not moving so much, but individual coins making moves. This is the part of the cycle when individual coins can go solo. They don't care about the Bitcoin or the Bitcoin dominance. When they're ready to pump, they are pumping. If you don't find these trades, you're gonna miss out on easy ROI. Easy ROI. Let's look on the morning audience. Hey, drop a like, get a coffee, drop a like, say hi, say where you from in this, where you coming from, Europe? Are you a European trader? Are you from America? Where are you from, man? Let's see. We have the European audience now. And if you have any question, drop it. It will be amazing to get a question. By the way, if you trade crypto, get Bitunix account, link below. We'll share the link later. Share the link here in the chat. It's actually the best exchange to trade crypto, in my opinion. the best exchange to trade crypto by far. They're doing amazing giveaways. Really nice. Check it out. Free to open an account. You get free bonuses, USDTs. Very nice account. Okay, so yeah, that's Bitcoin dominance. Let's look on BNB. BNB is leading the market. BNB could be again as well. Could consolidate here, go sideways, or maybe even pull back a little bit before another one. Should continue higher. Eventually should continue higher. This thing is bullish, very bullish. There is no reason for it to crash or top, at 1,350. Should go, man. Should go. Or even if it's topping out, it should go sideways before form a large top. This is not a parabolic top. It's might get a pullback, but this is not like a big parabola that ending with a sharp crash, in my opinion. So yeah, BNB looking nice. Jelly, you missed the breakout, man. You missed the breakout. Let me show you the trade, man. Show you the trade, man. Where is this stuff? The jelly trade, man. Now, yeah, maybe you'll pump, but maybe, hopefully, I have the bag. Where is the jelly trade? Look at the jelly trade, man. From October 3rd, like a champions. We bought the breakout like a champions. 573. Look at that. Bought the break of 573. Look at jelly now, man. We already cash out a double. Look at that. Look at that 573. Look at that. Bam! 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 That was the time. Yeah, now you can buy a dip and stuff, play a little bit. But here, that was the time to go heavy. Here, if you buy a little bit, yeah, you can catch a dip, but it can be choppy. It can be, it can take time. This is the moment. This is the moment, and we're getting more and more and more trade alerts that looks similar, to jelly before the breakout. Okay, this is the type of trade you want to take. Dips are nice, but they are not for swinging heavy. Not for swinging heavy, and there is a risk of a chop, churn, and dead cat bounces. You can bounce and dump, and then chop for many days or weeks, maybe before continuing. Maybe it will top out completely as well. You don't know. What we know is we buy breakouts. Now this is not a breakout. Okay, the breakout happened here. Okay, we buy the breakout here. That's why we love buying the breakout. It's a clean elevator up. It's a clean elevator up. Now you're buying chop. You're buying chop. Again, I have a little position. I bought a little bit on the dip because I like jelly, but nothing close to the size I put here. And I'm not expecting this kind of a move now, like boom, boom, in one go. You know what I mean? Gotta be realistic, man. Hey, Alchemist. Morning, sir. Morning. Coffee and jelly. Where is the cookie? Get a cookie. Let's look on the launch coin. Launch coin. Smash the like. Do me a favor, guys. Don't want to beg. That's launch coin. Chop, man. My opinion is chop. Yeah, this could be like a kind of a breakout play. Breakout this range. I would prefer it goes sideways longer here and tighten up before I'm buying. But at the moment, too volatile for me. This move down. What is it? 23%. That's outrageous volatility. Not for me, sir. Manage risk first, then trade. Okay. For me, too much risk for this nonsense and very little ROI potential. It's already priced in the pump. I'm not here to learn about jelly for toast. I'm here for ZBCN. Okay, why you crying? Don't worry, man. Ooh, you hear. The president of ZEBEC is in the house. God, everybody salute. Everybody salute him, bow to him, and kiss his feet. This is ZEBEC, okay? Watch my videos on ZEBEC, man. I make videos on ZEBEC on YouTube very, very often. If you want to hear my analysis on ZEBEC, at the moment it's consolidating. For me, it will be very, very extremely interesting, and I will be extremely bullish on ZEBEC once it cleared the 53. See that, Mr. ZEBEC? By the way, share it on your X, Mr. ZEBEC, and let me know ZEBEC not, If you want to do a collab to come to a live stream, we invite you. We bring a lot of people from the ZEBEC community to the live stream. So let me know. Drop me a text on X if you want to jump into a ZEBEC live stream one day. For your audience as well. So yeah, ZEBEC told you, man. 53 for me. That's the moment to go more aggressive. But again, we're taking it time. We're waiting. We're trading ZEBEC. We're trading crypto. Now we have other positions, and while we're waiting for ZEBEC, we looking for ROIs while we're waiting for ZEBEC. The market moves every day. It is what it is. Good morning. Oh man, mint layer. Oh my God, this coin is a rug pull from 2023. Oh boy. Oh boy, what a rug pull, man. Look at that. Toast. Toast, man. This is the pee of the swan, man. Look at this. The swan made a big poop. It pooped on ML, man. Look, mint layer. It's down 1,000%. How much it's down, man? 99% in a bull market, bro. Yeah, can it bounce? Sure, but it's going to zero, man. This coin is going to zero. It's already priced on zero, man. You had a little dead cat now. Look at this. No one is buying it. It's cooked. You have this big pump here, yeah, but it's down 99%. So if you bought it here, yeah, you're up in profit, but you've probably been buying it. You've probably been buying it here, man. or here, wherever, definitely didn't catch the bottom. No way. And even if you do, you will not sell on the right time. It's cooked, man. This is the type of coins. What are you doing in crypto, man? What are you doing? You're here to buy wrecked coins, rug pulls. Stop with the nonsense. Join VIP, link below, man. Change your life. You really need a life-changing experience. Man, are you in the membership or something? Let me know. If so, kudos to you. Okay? Kudos. Yeah, man. Maybe. Let's look on rain. Will it rain on rain, sir? What is this rain nonsense? Yaks. It's only on Mexi. It's probably illiquid garbage. Let's see the volume here. Rain coin. Think it's rain coin. $3.92. Let's see. No, it's not this one. Oh, rain protocol. Rain protocol. I don't know. I can't find it on CoinGecko. But anyway, that's the chart. For me, not my cup of tea. Have no futures. It's only on Mexi Spot and KSEX. What do you want me to tell you, man? Garbage. No edge. No edge, no nothing. No edge, no volume. Pump and dump Ponzi. Another one of a million Ponzis. Yeah, man. Only one. You need to stop trading rug pulls, man. You sound smart. This is not a smart play. ZEBEC touched 5 earlier. Cooked. Okie dokie. Swan poop coins. Yes, sir. It's pooping. They keep buying the cooked coins. I don't know. These people, they are masochist, you know, they're masochist. Woohoo. Let's look on ZEBEC. These people are insane. If you have any question, drop it below. The ZEBEC army is here, and it wants only ZEBEC. These people are insane. Ooh, nice. It's actually looking very nice, man. Very nice. You had this. If it can complete this now, you know, if it can come up and then break from here, holy shit. This could be the moment. Could be the moment. But you need a breakout. You need the 53. You need to hold above it and not coming back down below it. Looks really nice, but looks really nice. We give it the time, man, you know. ZEBEC, we give it its time. We let it consolidate. I wouldn't be surprised to see it go sideways a little bit more, like another week or so. Just like to create some kind of a flag here. Oh, that will be epic. That will be epic. But I'm open for this case as well. Also open for this case, yeah. You never know. You never know. No one knows. I'm bullish on it, but you know, I'm ready for both sides. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's my job. Trade crypto. Doesn't matter the direction. Yeah, man. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. ZEBEC. We have a zip of the ZEBEC coffee. You know I have a ZEBEC coffee, man. Where's the ZEBEC army? You know you can buy ZEBEC coffee. It's really good. All right, man. You heard my opinion. GM, sir. ZEBEC. GM ZEBEC. ZEBEC kings are gathering here. Yeah, welcome. ZEBEC people are smart. They come to the right channel. They're not following all the clowns. So they probably gonna do well this bull run. That's my 2 cents. React. What's up with the React shit, man? Every day. I'm not sure it's the same guy or it's another clown, but what's going on with the React garbage? What is it? Let's talk about it for a while. This thing, crypto.com. Okay, it's pumping. Okay, it's pumping. It have a bottom, blah blah blah. It's holding here. Now what? Now we'll see if it can hold or if it's a dog poop. Let's look on the market cap of this nonsense. Reactive network. Ponzi network. I'll show you this page. Why cannot? Do you see this page? Oh, you see it. Okay. I think you see it. Yeah. Look, this is reactive network. Small cap, 39 mil. Market cap. Where is this on Ethereum? Infrastructure, bollocks, EVM, bollocks, cross-chain, bananas. But you know, I give you that. It's a new coin. I like it. 5 million volume. I like it. Where is the volume? The big volume today here on KuCoin. I don't trade on KuCoin. I stopped trade on KuCoin. It's rubbish exchange. And on Gate, Mexi spot. Does it have futures on Mexi? Let's see. Yeah, it has future on Mexi, so I might be watching it, but it's very volatile, man. Where is that stuff? Look, let's see. Look at this candle here. The little dumpy candle. How much is this candle? 14%. It's very, very volatile. You know, and it's not. You know, you had the breakout here. If it was really bullish, it will explode here, but it didn't. Why? Scam. Again, I don't think it's. I'm not sure it's a scam, but you know, red flag. No, it's not showing. Look at Soon, for example. It's very similar chart, but Soon chart much more clean. Look at Soon chart. Look at the cleanliness of Soon. You see that? Look at the smiley face on Soon. See the smiley face? No one in crypto market ever heard of Soon, and we nailed it. That's why it's exploded, because no one heard of it. And this is how bullish coins behave. You can see the tightness of the bottom, bam. See the tightness here, tightness, no wicks, no so many wicks. You had little wicks here, pulling back, bam. Tightness. Now you get a big wick, probably gonna pull back or go sideways. But you see the tightness of the candles. Look at this. Even when it was bearish, it was tight. Unbelievable coin. Bullish on Soon as fuck. I'll show you the Soon trades just to let you know, really show you that we are actually doing what we say. Look at Soon. That was the trade alert from October 1st. Really, join the membership now. We're going to get new coins now. We're probably going to get another Soon, kind of a Soon trade, the next Soon. Look, Soon buy now at 4 cents, 40 cents. Look at that. That was our first entry here, 40 cents. And that was, where is the Soon? I had another Soon trade at 56, by the break above 56 from October 3rd, which triggered in October 6th, okay? Look at this. That was the breakout trade here, 56. It broke here, boom, we got filled automatically, okay? Stop buy order, boom, 150%. And another one, max gain, 77%. At the moment, we're up on them on the two entries. 46% on the second one on the runner, and the first one still up more than a double, 100%. This is a coin. To me, it looks like a legendary coin that will, if we're gonna get like a proper altcoin boom, like madness, this coin is an easy 10x from here. Again, after maybe consolidation. Look at Soon. Show you the market cap. Smash the like, subscribe. You see the coins in this channel that you will never see in any one of your clowns YouTube or Twitter X rubbish that you watch. This channel will give you life-changing coins. Life-changing. This is 220 market cap million on Solana. And it's part of the Binance Spotlight Alpha nonsense, which all these coins are pumping hard now. Binance related, and it's also on I think it's on BS. Anyway, watch this coin. That's a very nice coin. We don't care fundamentals. The chart says everything. Okay. Really, join VIP. If you want to join VIP, I'm just gonna drop the QR code here. You can scan the QR code. Join VIP, man. Will change your life. Really. In October, we're gonna change your life, man. If you join VIP. Your life is going to be transformed from a dumb monkey to a professional trader. The dumb monkey will always live in a tent or outside or near a tree, eating bananas. The trader can be very, very wealthy. Very, very wealthy. Let's see, what do we have? Drop a like and subscribe. If we get the bootcamp, is there any material already up, or does it all go live? Everything will be recorded on the 15th, all the content, everything, and it will be recorded on the WAP, so you can access it and rewatch it over and over and over again. It's gonna be something like 2 hours of educational stuff, teaching you everything you need to know about breakouts, altcoins, strength, everything, me and Jomo. And then we're going to share all our banger list and individual trade alerts that we're going to take live on the webinar. So this webinar is going to be insane, man. Check it out, the bootcamp. The bootcamp is going to be insane. Check out, you can scan the QR code and check all the details, man, on everything you're gonna get there. Unbelievable stuff. Join, man. And join. Every day that goes by, it's a waste. It's a waste. You know, it takes a few days to understand how to buy breakouts, to watch the market updates, to get the feel of it. You know, every day that goes by, it's a waste of opportunity. It's a waste of progress, you know. Smash the like, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Subscribe, 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 and smash the like. What else? Oh, I'll show you another coin that we recommended. We recommended all our members a long time ago. We actually have been trading MNT from here, from the Ethereum hype. When we saw the Ethereum hype, this coin was leading the market. MNT, it broke to new highs. And what a beauty. What a beauty. Then it consolidated here. We actually bought some here, got chopped here. Then we took another trade here on the chop. Bam. I'll show you the trade. Where is the MNT trade? This is the baby. Look at this. MNT trade from October 1st. By the break of 196. October 1st was a legendary day. Legendary. Look at the breakout here, 196. That was our entry here. Right before it started pumping. See here, 196. Consolidated here for 3 days. Did nothing, and then it's vomiting to the upside. 46% and counting, bro. Get yourself Bitunix, man. Get yourself the Bitunix. I traded on Bitunix. It's unbelievable exchange. Where is the Bitunix? Use the link. Use the link I drop in the comment section or in my description. Get Bitunix. Where is my MNT nonsense? See, I have my trade here open. Here, very nice gain so far. Realize 1.4, have 2.6 on. Very nice profits here. Brr, brr, brr. Printing. What you're doing? Nothing. You're doing nothing, probably, man. This coin, unbelievable. Look at this. Look at the strength, man. Boom. Look at this clean chart. Man, it pays to be in the membership. We had the 40% movers, 50 doubles, more than doubles we had soon. Every day that you're not joining, you're losing time, money, ROI, power, knowledge, and life, man. Really. You're wasting your life. You're wasting the bull market. The bull market is going to be over in like a month or two. Hey, it can be over in this month, man. No one is expecting that. Maybe it will be over in October. Who knows, man? Maybe Bitcoin topped out, you know? You never know. Look at it. Look at this trade, man. Do you know what's MNT? Have you ever heard about MNT? If you didn't watch this channel, never. This channel is the professional bangers channel. We will appreciate all your likes. All we need is likes, share, and comments. Look at this, man. This thing, MNT, is going to go nuclear this cycle. Nuclear. Look at MNT. Market cap, ooh, it grew. Very nice. 9 billion. Ooh, bullish. Rank 27 so far. Man, it's flipping some big dogs. Look at them in MNT. This is charging. It's storming up. All right, so it's gonna flip Litecoin. It's probably gonna flip H-bar, and again, H-bar probably gonna pump hard later, but now it's consolidating. It will flip Big Cash. It will flip. Probably gonna flip AVAX as well. AVAX is kinda cooked at the moment. Hype, man. This thing is gonna be top 20 coin, in my opinion. Probably higher. Man. It can go nuclear. Hemi, yeah, you had a pump. Now it's a dip. Look what happened. You know. Look what happened to this nonsense. It had a dip, you know. Where's this stuff? The fuck? You see, it had a dip like a base, and then it coming back down. So for me, I tried a little trade, hit my first target, but then I close it, man. There is a risk of a fake out here. For me, not my cup of tea, man. Hemi. It's already, it's already exploded, It exploded. So, they're taking profits now. Cheers, mate. Cheers, mate. Cheers, mate. Thank you, Phoenix. I don't use margin. Man. You need glasses. I use futures 1x. I trade only on futures. Only on futures. Don't use margin. All right. Drop a question, guys. Like, subscribe, and yeah, get yourself Bitunix, man. The best exchange to trade crypto. Use the link below. I'm going to drop this link in the chat. Man, get yourself Bitunix. It's unbelievable. Really, I started trading on Bitunix, this year. I will show you. I started trading on Bitunix this year with like 20K just to check the account, okay? I'll show you my P&L. Where is this stuff? You see, now I have like 57, all right? I have like 57.8 from 20G. Unbelievable, and I started trading on it like in March. Unbelievable growth in a tough market. That was not an easy market, man. It's like almost triple the capital. Get Bitunix, man. It's easy to make their really good ROI because the fees, the trading fees, when you open close position, on the exchange, when you buy, sell, open, close, stop, all these, they are nothing. No fees, no margin fees, nothing. Like, they're so nice. And you can trade from the US, Canada, Australia, and they also give you trading bonuses. This exchange, I don't know how they make money. I really don't know. Man, all my members that have brains, they have Bitunix. All my members trade on Bitunix, and all of them tell me, hey, man, this exchange is amazing. Man, this is the best exchange ever. The best exchange ever. Man, I traded all my life in the last 8 years, crypto. I can tell you I traded around 15 different exchanges, man. All the exchanges I've traded them. All of them. This is superior to all the trade. I will also trade on Mexi and on Binance, but Bitunix is better than both of them. When we're talking fees-wise, interface, the experience and the easiness of actually growing the account. Binance, they charge a lot of fees, man, and also Mexi as well. They're very stinky on the open and close positions. Bitunix, you can open and close position all day long. Or your account balance will stay the same. All right. Let's look on Bitcoin, the scam. Yeah, well, it's a consolidation time for Mr. Bitcoin. Probably. Some consolidation, some chop. We shall see. Hopefully it can break this trend line. If it cannot break this trend line soon, it's big warning, big red flag. Big red flag. Because you can see gold, for example. Gold is going nuclear, and Bitcoin is like, it's going, but it's stuck under resistance. Look at gold, man, going to new all-time high, violent, aggressive melt up. Bitcoin is the digital gold And look at the chart of Bitcoin. It looks like a washing machine crap. See? Top, top, top. See the difference? And they say, oh, the Bitcoin is the best. Look at Twitter, all the Twitter. People are like cheering to Bitcoin, licking Bitcoin, licking the sailor and all the charlatans. And what Bitcoin is doing? What is doing? Huh? In all the hype and the euphoria, it's euphoric out there. Nothing. Doing nothing, man. If it cannot break this trend line in October, crypto is in serious problem, and it's a top. It's a top now. If it cannot, you heard it now here. You heard it now in Crypto Mindset channel. If it cannot break in October 126 and hold above it, it is cooked, my friend. And people are going to lose everything they have. Man, go do the research. Go do the research. I'm telling you from my experience, this is the best exchange in the fucking world, okay? If you want other stuff, just go to their website and check everything. Open an account. It's free. Stop being a baboon and just follow what I say. Telling you, it's gonna help you. You are trading probably on a morons exchange, probably on spot, and you get cooked with your spot trades because you trade illiquid rubbish with slippage, and it's fucking you. And you're not even realizing that because you never had anything else which is superior. Do yourself a favor. Get Bitunix, send there some USDT, start playing with the exchange. You have tutorial on how to trade on my channel, on the description. Yeah. Yeah, man. Be light, chill, man. Crypto is a game, Chill, relax, take a trade, tiki, Not everything is a marriage. What else do we have here? SPX going up. NASDAQ going up. Bitcoin is not. Let's look on ETH. ETH. Oh. Am I live? I think so. Look. ETH need a breakout ASAP. ETH need a breakout of 5,000 ASAP. If ETH cannot break in October 5,000, we have a serious problem. A serious problem. Again, if it goes sideways, squeezing underneath it for like a month, that's cool. But again, it should break in October now. This is the best time for crypto. October is the best month for crypto. Is the best. October, November, the best. There is nothing better than October, November for crypto. Sometimes November can be toppy, like last cycle, 2021. But October, last cycle was insane. My God. Anyway, guys, drop some question. If not, we're gonna wrap it up. Okay, let's look on the DXY. All right. What? It's under the 100 MA. Man, the DXY, all these clowns on social media, they call it that it's gonna crash and it's going to zero. La 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 la. Man, my opinion, it's not gonna crash. I might be wrong, but look at this trend line. Look at this trend line from 2009. This is a mega trend line. See? Support. That was the bottom before it crashed crypto and went to 2022 bear market. That was your crypto bear market in 2014. That was Crypto bear market 2022. Okay, you don't need me to say anything else. 2 points, 2 bear markets from this trend line. If the dollar will bounce from here above the 100, 101-ish, 102, crypto will collapse, in my opinion, and it will send crypto to a bear market. And it actually makes sense to me that that's what's going to happen, because TikTok, the 4-year cycle is about to end. You're in the last quarter of the year, and you know what happened. Usually things go in bazooka, parabolic, and then they crash parabolic. So the dollar is just on time to continue here. Probably will, if it once it breaks that level here, just like it did here. That was the breakout here, the triggering event, November 2021, bam, bear market. Once this thing breaks around 100, let's call it 101, run for the hills or use stops. Still have some time, in my opinion, but it can happen, October, November. It can happen this month, man. It can break above this level. October, November. The momentum is making a move. Momentum, 2 weeks going up, 1 week going up. Monthly is like in a decision point. If it goes higher this month, you're gonna get a cross up. Probably November, December, that Bitcoin top, in my opinion. Maybe this month. I don't know. Okay, man. Okay. I'm working on it. This was an old photo. I think now my biceps are bigger, much bigger. Obviously, I'm not a bodybuilder. I don't give a fuck. Thanks. Nobody else looking at DXY. Definitely not Crypto John. F Crypto John. This guy is a clown, man. He have a brain of a bird. He's a baboon, and but he know how to make money on his followers, man. This guy got rich from his monkey business. Unbelievable, but it is what it is, man. Hopefully it's gonna lose everything soon in the bear market. Gonna lose everything, man. This guy and all the YouTubers that came out of nowhere, like came out of nowhere. Anyway, guys, thank